Kancha the Rhino. Author Shilpi Pradhan. Illustrator Abhin Shrestha. In a vast grassland, there lived a little rhino named Kancha. Kancha was 2 years old and lived with his mother. He loved to wander about the grassland. His mother would often warn him, "Kancha, there are a lot of bad things out there. Be careful, son. Always remember to leave your scent so that you can smell your way back home." Kancha understood, but it was hard for him to remember everything. One afternoon, Kancha was taking a mud bath. Suddenly, he heard a strange noise. He jumped up from the mud and walked closer to the sound. He looked around and realized that he had walked much farther than he thought. He remembered his mother's words and turned around to walk back home. Then he heard the same sound again. He saw a giant python sliding towards him, and it filled him with fear. He ran and hid behind the tall grasses. He was very scared. He closed his eyes tightly and stayed very still. Kancha carefully peeked through the tall grasses. He saw the python swallowing a deer. He breathed a sigh of relief. It was getting dark, and Kancha knew it was time to go home. He turned around. He tried to find his scent, but he couldn't smell it anywhere. He ran round and round, but couldn't make out which direction he had come from. He remembered his mother's words and began to cry. "Kancha! Kancha!" He heard someone calling his name. He jumped with joy and ran as fast as he could. Thump! Kancha landed in a pit. "Kancha! Kancha!" He heard his mother calling from above the pit. "I'm sorry for going too far, Ma," said Kancha sadly. "Don't worry, son. I'll go get some help," she promised him. The next morning, Kancha woke up to find himself tied up with ropes. He could hear noises all around him. Kancha was confused. He tried to struggle free, but it only hurt, so he stopped. After a while, he felt himself being lifted. "Have I been captured?" he thought. He found himself on the ground again. He heard all sorts of strange sounds. "Hurrah! Woohoo!" He could hear claps and whistles. There were hundreds of humans around him. They held up posters with a rhino's photograph. As he got closer, they were all smiling at him. But he recognized no one. He was scared. Who are they? Why are they here? What are they going to do to me? He thought. One of the humans came towards him and touched him gently. Slowly he turned Kancha's head towards the jungle. Kancha saw his mother waiting for him behind the trees. These humans had not captured him. They had saved him. Kancha ran as fast as he could to his mother. He was safe again. He would never wander so far without leaving his scent ever again.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. And please leave your comments below.